Today our topic is MS Word Introduction. MS Word is a word processing application program that is part of the Microsoft Office. Microsoft Office is a set of powerful applications that are designed to provide a rich set of tools for almost every conceivable business task for a small and large business organization. Microsoft Office Suite has been designed so that the interface across all the application is consistent. Obviously, this helps users to move from application to carry out their various business tasks. The primary application that are included in MS Office include the following. MS Word is a first of all MS Word, MS Excel, MS Access, MS PowerPoint. MS Word is a word processing application to create and edit letters, articles, newsletters, flyers, and any other text-based document. MS Word is a word processing software package. Its extension name is .docs document. MS Excel is a spreadsheet application used primarily to record and manipulate numbers with calculations, functions, links, and other operations. MS Excel is a calculating software package. Its extension name is .xlsx. Then PowerPoint. Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation application to create and present slideshows with text, graphics, and videos. MS PowerPoint is a presentation software package. Its extension name is .pptx PowerPoint presentation. Then MS Access is a database management system. Its extension name is .accdb Access database. Then this is your Windows Display 2007. What is MS Word? MS Word is an application software. It is developed by Microsoft Corporation. MS Word is used to create document, letters, and resume. MS Word features. You will notice some obvious changes immediately after starting Word 2007. For starters, the top bar has a completely new look consisting of new dock features, buttons, naming convention. Don't be alarmed, Word has been redesigned with a fresh new look that offers a more efficient and straightforward approach. What's new in Word 2007 is outlined below. First of all, this is your display. This is your quick access toolbar, title bar, close button, ribbon, ruler, vertical scroll bar. This is your vertical. This is your horizontal scroll bar. This is your document window. This is your insertion point. This is your status bar. This is your views button. This is your zoom slider. This is your first of all Microsoft Office button. What is Microsoft Office button? Provides access to menu commands in Words. The Microsoft Office button replaces the file menu in previous version. Here is where you will find commonly known features such as new, open, save, print, and recent documents. This is also where you find the word option commands that were previously located in the tool menu in previous version. Second of all, this is your ribbon, an area across the top of the screen that makes almost all capabilities of Word available in a single area. The ribbon replaces the menus and toolbars in previous version. The ribbon exposes most of the features that used to be hidden in file menus. The ribbon makes it easier to see and find commands to format your document. The ribbon can be reduced to a single line of tabs by pressing Ctrl plus F1. This is your tab. Tab an area on the ribbon that contains buttons that are organized in groups. The default tabs are Home, Insert, Page Layout, Mailing, Review, and View. Quick Access Toolbar, a customizable toolbar at the top of an active document. By default, the Quick Access Toolbar displays the Save, Undo, and Repeat button, and it is used for easy access to frequently used commands. To customize this toolbar, click on the drop-down arrow and select the command you want to add. This is your title bar, a horizontal bar at the top of an active document. This bar displays the name of the document and application. At the right end of the title bar is the minimize, restore, and close buttons. Then group categories. A group of buttons on a tab that are exposed and easily accessible. These buttons were formerly embedded in menus on the menu bar. Then dialog box launchers. A button that launches a dialog box containing option for refining a command. The dialog box. This is your dialog box launcher. This is your status bar, a horizontal bar at the bottom of an active window that gives details about the active document. Then view toolbar, a toolbar that enables adjust and display different views of a document content: full screen reading, outline, print layout, web layout, draft. Then 10th zoom button, a button that magnifies or reduces the contents in the document window. Then this is your zoom out and in. Microsoft Word 2007. First of all, we are going to start button, then all program, then MS Office, then Microsoft Word 2007, or start, run, WinWord and OK. Create a new document. First of all, create a new document. Go to Office button, click New, click Blank Document and click Create. Open the file, go to Office button, click Open, click Choose your file. Save as a document, go to Office button, click Save As, click Choose your location, choose your file name and click Save. Then Prepare, go to Office button, click Prepare, click Properties, text your properties, Save as document, cut properties. Close the document, go to Office button and click Close. Exit Word, go to Office button and click Exit Word. Then we are going to Home tab. This is your clipart group. Cut, copy and paste. Some text, select text. First of all, some text. Write down some text. Then second, select text. Go to Home tab. Then clipboard group. Then click cut, copy and paste. First of all, cut and second of copy and paste. Then format painter. Copy formatting from one place and apply to the another place. First of all, some text, some select text, go to Home tab, then clipboard group, then click format printer. Then category. Category where mostly various types. First of all, Arial, Arial Black, Times New Roman and Calibri. This is size of 8, 10, 11 and 12. Font color red, green, yellow, black. Bold, italic, regular and bold italic. Go to Home tab. Click Font group. Character spacing. The space between character is known as character spacing. Example, Aptec normal, Aptec expand, Aptec condense. This is your character spacing. Superscript. Create small letters above the line of text. A plus B square is equal to A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is your superscript. Step. First of all, go to Home tab, then click Font group, then click Superscript. Then Subscript. Create small letters below the text base line. Then example H2O, जैसे example हमने formulas लिखने H2O, NH4. Then go to Home tab, click Font group, click Subscript and strike to draw a line through the middle of the selected text. Go to Home tab, click Font group, click Strike Through. Change case. This option is used to change small letters to capital letters to small letters. There are 5 types of changes: sentence case, lowercase, uppercase and capitalize each word and toggle case. Go to Home tab. First of all, go to Home tab, then click Font group, click Change case and choose your change case. Then alignment. This is your alignment. Alignment are 4 types: left, center, right and justify. This is your left alignment, this is your center alignment, this is your right alignment and this is your justify. Go to Home tab. First of all, we are going to go to Home tab, then paragraph group, then alignment. Choose. If you choose left, then you click left. If you choose right, then you click right. If you choose center, then you click center. If you justify, then you justify, then OK. Line spacing. Space between line is known as line spacing. The default line spacing is 1.15 points. Then step, go to Home tab. First of all, we are going to Home tab, then Paragraph group, then click line spacing, choose line spacing, then OK. Tabs are marker by default ½ inch 0.5. Step, go to Home tab, then Paragraph group, then click tab, then set the tab, then click OK. Then example, Mother, roll number 12, stream arts, Saroj 98, science, Prakash 45 and commerce. Bullets and numbers. Bullets and numbers. The paragraph which start with serial number is known as numbers. The paragraph which start with symbol and pictures, which are only two parts, symbols and pictures, is known as bullets. When you press enter key, the next bullet and numbers automatically inserted. We can also format bullet and numbers. Step, सबसे पहले enter some text, select text, home tab, paragraph group, choose bullets and numbering, and then OK. Then find and replace. Find command. Find any text in the document. Replace option is used to replace text in document. First of all, we are going to some text. Go to Home tab, then Editing group. We are going to click Find and Replace command. Click Find and Text Replace the text. Click OK. Then we are going to insert cover page. Insert a fully formatted cover page. First of all, we are going to Insert tab, then Pages group, then Cover pages, then click Choose Cover page. Then we are Insert blank page. Insert a new page at the cursor position. First of all, we are going to Insert tab, then click Pages group, then click Blank page. Insert page break. Start the next page at the current position. Step, go to Insert tab, then Pages group, click Page break. First of all, insert table. A table is a collection of numbers of rows and columns. Table is a collection of number of rows and columns. The table is also a collection of field name and records. We can also draw a table and after create a table. Insert table steps. Go to Insert tab, then Table group, then click Choose rows and columns or Insert table step. Go to Insert tab, then Table group, click Insert table, then choose Text columns and rows, then OK. Insert Convert table step. Some text, select text, go to Insert tab, then Table group, click Convert table, choose text to your columns and row, and then OK. Merge cells. How to merge cells? To convert a cell from more than one cell is known as merge cells. Select and choose your row and columns. First of all, select choose your rows and columns. Go to Layout tab, then Merge group, click Merge cells. Then split cell. How to split cells? To divide a cell into more than one cell is known as split cell. We can also format the table. We apply formula using table. Step. First of all, select choose your row and columns. Go to Layout tabs, then Merge group, then choose your columns and rows. Click Split cells and OK. Then insert picture. Insert a picture from the file. First of all, we are going to Insert tab, then Illustration group. Then we are going to click Picture. Then click Choose a picture and click Insert. Insert clip art. Insert the clip art is the document including drawing moves, sounds, stock photography or illustrate a specific concept. First of all, we are going to Insert tab, then Illustrations group, click Clip art, search clip arts and click Choose clip arts. Then shape. Insert the ready-made shapes such as rectangles, circles, arrows, lines, flowcharts, symbols and callout. First of all, go to Insert tab, then Illustration group, click Shape, left press and drag. Modify auto shape. Right click the shape, click Format auto shape, click Choose file color, click Choose line color, click 2 colors and OK. Then there are two types of hyperlinks, internal links and external links. Internal link, the link between one place to another place